Hello everyone, my name is Lerato Mashilo and we are the Dream Team. We'll be doing a presentation with regards to Ola's retail plan. Now this is what we'll be presenting on. Firstly will be the recommendations with regards to communication. Secondly, online retailing. Thirdly, the strategies related to the design and layout, and lastly will be the HR management. Now for our first part related to the recommendation for the communication mix, our first suggestion relating to the retail advertising is that for their beauty and hair business, they can invite Bowombele, who is a social media influencer, and he is known for the tagline Ilwa Ntombo, which basically encourages women to fight for their beauty by taking care of themselves, by being confident. So they can have a special called Ilwa Ntombo where they offer their beauty products at a discount price. This will increase sales and it will also encourage their target market to visit their store more often. And then secondly, related to the sales promotion for the beauty and hair business, they can offer free samples in order to create an awareness for their target market to know about their products, and through that they can also collect their target market's contact details in exchange of a lipstick. With them having their contact details, it will help them to communicate any important information for new sales or vouchers or coupons, and they can also create a WhatsApp business for their beauty and hair segment. And then with related to their events and experience, Ola's Shisanyama can host events, especially during the festive fever, and this can also boost the brand loyalty amongst their customers. So they can invite DJs or different artists, and on the day their clients will not only have a good experience, but they will also experience a great event, and they can have things like text for a prize, the best dancer gets a freebie, and this will encourage their customers to promote their business by posting on social media of pictures or videos of them having fun at the event. And then for personal selling for their beauty and hair business, they must persuade their customers to purchase their products by clearly explaining and highlighting any features about the product. This could be maybe a hair conditioning where they explain to the customer the benefits or the features related to using that product. And then with direct marketing, the business can use direct marketing to market their beauty and hair products by sending text messages and to their clients about any new products. They can also have online ads, and they can also advertise by having flyers so that people will be aware about their products. And then for online marketing, they need to increase their online presence using social media. So they need to post frequently and encourage their followers to post videos or pictures of themselves using their products. This could be any product that they bought from the store where they post a video using their product, or when they visit their Shisanyama, they can post maybe a picture of the food that they're having, and the person who gets the most likes or shares will get a voucher when they visit the store next time. So this will increase their online presence through clicks and the mentions that they get on social media. And related to public relations and publicity, they can establish a very positive reputation for their brand. This will in their community at Bophelong, especially during this COVID-19, they can have a theme called Feed a Family, where they invite families that are in need of food, and they should provide them with food parcels, and they can use this as a publicity in order to promote their products. Now for the retail communication strategies, with regards to the retail objectives, to generate awareness of the new products amongst their target market for their beauty and hair products, they can use an affordable budget. And then in terms of the selected communication mix, they can use retail advertising as well as in events and experiences. And when implementing this, they can accomplish this through having like promotional events where they market their beauty and hair products, and also giving free samples on the day. They can also advertise their products using outdoor advertising by means of store banner to display at the store and at the entrance. And in order to evaluate their communication strategy, they must check the number of people who attend the event on the day and see if there is an increase in the shop traffic. And they can also measure this after the day of advertising their products. And then secondly, they can generate media and influencer interest at the Ola's launch for their beauty and hair products offering. And in this case, they should also use a budget that they afford. They will use online retail, online marketing, and this is tied to the business having promotional videos uploaded on social media, where they talk about the launch of their hair and beauty products. They can also engage social media influencers like on Instagram, on Facebook, and those influencers can promote or advertise their product on their pages, and this will increase the number of people that become aware of the store. And how they will evaluate this is the interest that consumers have through online responses, views, likes, and shares that they get, and also the interaction from followers who reacted to their promotions using influencers. And then thirdly, increase online customer interaction for Ola Shisanyama services as well as their hair and beauty offering. In this case, they will also use a budget that they can afford as a business. They will use online marketing and mobile marketing. They can accomplish this through marketing their products and services on their social media pages for Shisanyama, as well as a page that they will create for their beauty and hair product segment. And we also encourage them to have a WhatsApp business for both their Shisanyama and their beauty and hair products in order to communicate any important information. And then they can evaluate this through the increase in customer interaction online, through the number of clicks, comments, and likes and shares and mentions that they get on social media. And fourthly, they can generate a demand for the Shisanyama and product offering through offering low prices and affordable ranges within their beauty and hair segment. So this should also be based on an affordable method. This is the budget that they can afford, and they will use retail sales promotions. This includes the promotions at the company that they are tied to, sales during season like the Black Friday season or the festive season. They should also run contests on their Shisanyama Instagram and Facebook pages from time to time, where the winner will receive a discount coupon for their next visit. And they can measure this and evaluate this through the number of sales and the shop traffic in those seasonal phase, and also the number of engagement from their followers through likes, tags, and comments. And lastly, they can create an awareness for their new product offering amongst their loyal and existing customers. They will also use an affordable method, which is a budget that they can afford as a business. And they will use personal selling and online marketing. They can accomplish this through face-to-face interactions, telling existing customers about their new product offering, and also advertise on social media to their followers that they already have on Facebook. And they can evaluate this through the number of their customers who make a sale and through increased online interaction about the product using likes, comments, shares, and mentions. Thank you.
Greetings. My name is Petulo, and I'll be presenting strategies and recommendations regarding online retailing and human resource management. Regarding online retailing, the following strategies and recommendations can be used. Display advertising. They can use banner ads to promote their hair and beauty products. For example, hair moisturizer, hair piece, face wash, as well as their food products. They can use this to make people aware about their online store and also promote their product offerings. Search marketing. Ola's Market can use a search marketing in order to create awareness for their product offerings, and through this strategy, it will pursue a level of traffic to the Ola's Market online store. Social media. Ola's Market can communicate and interact with their customers through social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Through these platforms, they can post a variety of hair piece colors for women that they can order online, or they can post any seasonal meal specials where they offer one big plate that comes with steak, sausage, pap, 3 free drinks, and 3 salads. They can call it Ola's Chilla's Friday Special 3 Eat, and it can be done on Fridays, one Friday of every month. This can be offered to their followers, who each bring 3 friends that they can tag on their post. Viral marketing. Ola's Market can use this strategy to encourage their customers to share information about all the products or services that they offer. For example, their female followers on Facebook can share a post to have followers about a weave that is on special in their hair and beauty offering. So friends and customers can instantly share information to the people who are following them. Feature products or promotions on the homepage. Ola's Market can use their fragment on this site in order to advertise new beauty products, deals, or any promotion or bestsellers. Human resource management. Regarding human resources management, the following strategies can be used. Tactical planning of employees. The company needs to hire employees for the new segment, and in doing so, they must have annual tactical plan for their employees. At Ola's Beauty and Hair, they need to set clear objectives for their employees so that they will hire, and some of the objectives could be on productivity, where the company ensure that they improve the productivity of their employees through training and development in order to ensure that they contribute positively to the financial progress of the firm. Tactical organizing for the employees. The firm has compiled organizational structure and is a flat organizational structure. This structure is beneficial in coordination, communication, and also it enhances the organization's budget. So this communication strategy will be beneficial for the staff that will be hired for Ola's Beauty and Hair, and it will elevate their responsibilities. It is very important for employees to know their roles and responsibilities when they get hired. The following job description can be included for Ola's Beauty and Hair. Beauty advisors. These individuals are responsible for advising customers regarding different beauty products. For instance, which makeup is best for which skin type. Cashiers. Cashiers are responsible for processing customer transactions and ensuring that the cash register is balanced at the end of the day. Security guards. Security guards monitor surveillance equipment, inspect building and access points, and grant access to individuals coming and going out of the store. Tactical leading of the employees. The manager is responsible for motivating the employees through his leadership skills. This can be done by having development and training programs for the employees and through tactical motivation strategies. The manager can do this by making sure working conditions at Ola's Beauty and Hair are not a demotivating space to work in, by ensuring employees are treated with respect and dignity that they all deserve. Tactical controlling of employees. There are already control systems that are in place to make sure that the objectives within HR are met. These control systems, which include management reports and performance management, should be implemented within Ola's Beauty and Hair as soon as it starts operating. With performance management system, the manager can be able to develop and enhance employee skills, and employees will be compensated and rewarded for their work in their workplace. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Muthusi Mary and I'll be doing design and layout and customer service. Exterior design. The general architecture of Ola's Market is not visually pleasing. The painting are peeling off, the signage doesn't pop out, and then the display boards are not well taken care of. So I recommend that they use color painting like white, that will enable the signage of the store to pop out, and they use electronic display boards because of their easy to maintain, easy to change, and they last long. The Ola Shisanyama signage is hidden, so the customers passing by cannot see it. So I recommend that they put it on top so that everyone can see it. And then the exterior is not visually pleasing as well. So I'd recommend that they add artificial grass so that it can be appealing, and then customers do not worry about dirty particles entering the food. The hair and beauty, Ola's hair and beauty, the exterior of it is not appealing to the market, so I would recommend that they paint visuals that indicate that this is a hair salon, and then they incorporate colors that are associated with the Ola market brand. The exterior signage and lighting, when you get to the parking of the store, you can see the signage of the store at the back, so it is easy to recognize it. What I'm recommending is that they use white paint instead of gray so that the signage can pop out. With store configuration, they use straight line store configuration, and then because of that they can have a lot of space inside of the store. Entrance, they use constant open doors, so I would recommend that they use electronic doors, because of if the doors are constantly open, thieves can easily get into the store and leave. And then the weather changes well, so it is better to use electronic doors so that when there's wind or dust, the doors are constantly closed. The interior of the store, display fixtures. Ola's Market use shelves and steel shelves, and it is a good idea because of the steel shelves last long. The flooring of the store, they use ceramic tiles, so I recommend that they use porcelain tiles, because porcelain tiles last long and they are easily maintained. The ceiling of the store is white, and then white represents the colors that the store is associated with. The colors of the stores are white, blue, and they use yellow to when there's a special, because yellow is a happy color and it helps attract the customers. The lighting in Ola's Market store is very bad, so I would recommend that they change the lighting of the store so that the products in the store can be visual pleasing. The sound of the store comes from the radio and Pick and Pay radio, so I would suggest that they play soft sound, because loud sound can chase away customers. Internal store layout. They use great layout. The selling area of Ola's Market is very small, and with COVID, people can be hesitant to go to the store. So I recommend that they extend the store so that the selling area of the store can be big, so that customers can move from one aisle to another without disturbing one another. Customer area, there's a storage for shopping bags and goods purchased elsewhere, and there's also a counter for returns in Ola's Market. There are toilets at the Ola Shisanyama because it's a spot where people chill and drink. stock keeping area of merchandise. There's a storeroom for that. And then office staff and other functional areas. There's an office for management, and there's a staff canteen. Visual merchandise presentation. Common display formats found at Ola's Market are card case display, dump bin display, ensemble display, and thematic display. Customer service. Types of services offered at Ola store. Assortment. There's a liquor store, there's a grocery store, and there's Shisanyama, and they are venturing on opening a beauty and hair store. Convenience. There's a parking lot, there's a taxi rank, and the operating hours accommodates people who work until 5. It closes at 7, so people who work until 5 can go there to buy. And I recommend that they open their own petrol station so that taxi drivers and people who passes the center to go to work can stop there and fill their tanks and go to work. Financial services. In Black communities, financial literacy is not something that is advised. So I would recommend that they open a stokvel. They call it Bupelong stokvel, where customers can open that stokvel account, deposit money for 12 months, and then withdraw that money after 12 months. Delivery. Due to COVID, customers are skeptical to go to the shops. So Ola's Market can give customers an option for delivery, where customers call them and then they place the order, they EFT the money, and when the store gets the money, they deliver it to customers. The complementary services, they have an ATM, and I recommend that they collaborate with Equatorial Coffee, because of coffee is something that people in the center needs when they had a long night or they were drinking and they need something to wake them up. So coffee will do, and then them having a coffee shop in their store will attract more customers. Recovering from service failure. Smartphones are available, are affordable, and data prices have went down. So the store can open a Facebook business page where where customers can either complain and interact with the store and tell the store about the kind of customer services they received at the store. So they can call the name of the Facebook page they can call it Batupeli, which means people first, and that will show customers that Ola Market puts its people first, and they like to know about the services they are rendering to customers and get feedback from customers. Thank you.